Tired of your feet getting cold? The ArcticShield Boot Insulators, using ArcticShield Retain heat retention technology, are a sure fit for any type of hunting or outdoor activity when you want to keep your toes warm and toasty. ArcticShield Retain captures greater than 90% of body heat and retains that heat longer than other forms of insulation. The boot insulators slip over your shoes or boots, keeping your feet warm so you can stay out in the woods, tree stand, or blind longer. Windproof and water-resistant, and constructed of a polyester shell and liner, the ArcticShield Boot Insulators are lightweight and packable, so they will easily roll up and fit into your pocket or backpack to carry to your tree stand or blind. Other features constructed into the boot insulators are durable YKK locking zippers, speed clips to easily attach to your pack or bag, and adjustable draw cord at the top of the boot insulator to cinch up around your ankle. Perfect for hunting, football games, tailgating, ice fishing, snowmobiling, and any other cold weather activity.